Hi friends. Hello, this is Jalene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I just, okay, so I'm going to tell you, I just did a try on video with the looks I got from my Ipsy box, my BoxyCharm recently, and some of the things I got in the shop. So I wasn't crazy about how my eyes turned out. I don't know. I was going to try to go for a St. Patrick's Day look, but it turned out being more mossy. Like, I don't know. Like, well, maybe anyway. So I'm hoping in this video, maybe I can have something to help touch me up a little bit more. So anyway, but today, okay, I got the Eyescream Beauty box and the bag. The bag actually, the box came early this month. In fact, it came just like a week after my February box came, which was the first week in March. Then I waited. I knew this was on the way, so I just got this today, so I thought I'd film them together. I'm really excited. I took a little sneak peek. So anyway, let's just get to it. All right, friends. First of all, I'm going to go with the bag, I believe. And so the bag has 3 items in it, and it is called, it's the Eyescream Beauty bag for March. It's real cute. Look at the little card. Tells you the prices and everything too, if you can see that. So the first thing is the Mirabella Beauty Served with a Kiss lipstick right here. Now, I think I'm going to like this. Let's see. If this, oh no, this isn't the one. This one, I'm not sure what it is. Oh no. Okay. Is this is Mirror Served with a Kiss. I'm opening the brow. Okay, forget this. Okay, this is, see how much that is. That's valued at $18. And, ooh, okay, so it's really pretty packaging. It's kind of heavy duty. Ooh, I love that. That is so cute. The color is in the lid, kind of here. It shows the color, but this is, so we'll look at it together. It says it's a red, but it looks more like a burgundy type color, which I tend to wear. So let's try it on my hand here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I like it. It's kind of real similar to what I have on. So anyway, you'll have to go watch the other video with me trying on my makeup to know what I have on. So anyway, so that's that. And like I said, that's valued at $22, or that was $18. This is Mirabella, a brow gel, and it's valued at $22. And it's just a simple little brow gel. I kind of like it. I'm not too picky about my brow gels. I mean, I really like, my favorite is by Benefit, but I'll take a brow gel any day. So that's that. The third thing, and it's actually the least expensive thing, and it's probably the thing I'm most excited about, is the palette. And they call this the Trend Beauty Give Me More palette. It's valued at $12. It's kind of retro. It goes back to my day of 6-track little cassette tapes or whatever. But you guys, I love this. Look at this color scheme. It's so fabulous. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Anyway, so let's look at it. Okay, so here we go. It's pretty amazing. So it's really bright colors, which I really like. It kind of reminds me in a way of the Jeffree Star, the Jawbreaker palette that's kind of bright. Is there anything in here I could help to improve my eyes with? Wish I had some lighter colors. Here's a green, like a kind of a teal right there. I wonder if that would do. It's totally off color of what I have on. But we're going to try it anyway, right in the corner there. You guys love how I do this. How I just put makeup on over makeup. And hope, cross my fingers and hope it's going to work out okay. I guess sometimes I'm a fly by the seat of my pants gal. Okay, didn't really do much. It didn't really help my cause. But anyway, this is a fun palette. There's the green. Here's the blue one right next to it. It's kind of a more shimmery glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. And we're just hanging out here. We're just hanging out as friends, right? I'm going to try that right in the middle. Okay, you guys. I, for some reason, am a little bit slap happy today. It kind of makes me scared for what's to come. Okay. I'm messing things up all kinds of ways. Okay, whatever. Next to it, we've got kind of a... Ooh, that's fun. Look at this one. So that would be really good right here. Okay, I think I better stop. I'm not helping my cause. So anyway, this is just a really fun palette though. I love it. Should I try one of the purple ones here? Oh, I hate when I do that. You stick your finger into one of these shimmers and it just goes everywhere. Here, let me do the other one above it. Ooh, these are kind of light and fun. Look at that. So really fun. They're fun little shimmer colors. This one. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun with this palette. I'm sure I'm gonna use it. So anyway, that's the third item. So in the box, we've got the brow gel, the lipstick, and the awesome palette. So those are our first 3 items. Now let's get to the box. Okay, so for the beauty box here, I'm gonna open it up. We can see kind of a little bit what's in here. And this is the March box. This is the card. So you can see everything that's in there. And we're going to start with, let's see, Bliss Velvet Dream Stick by Stina Face. This is a densely pigmented lipstick formula that not only gives unbeatable color payoff that lasts, but also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. So let's find that. That's right here. Stina Place. Haven't heard of it. Or Face. Sorry, Stina Face. And this, it's really pretty. It's like a really pretty, look at that. It's a really pretty bottle here. And look, I love the gold. I love those colors together. And it looks again like similar to the color I just had in that I just put on. So anyway, I will use this. I'm excited about that. So that's our lip thing, and that is valued at $12. The next thing I have on here is Unit. It says it's a blush. It says it's a blusher. So blusher. That it is a blush or bronzer, which I really like. And it's from Ofra Cosmetics, which is wonderful. It's valued at $29. Ofra makes such great face palette, blushers, bronzers, highlighters. So there's that. Really great thing to have. And I don't know if I have a blusher quite like this. So I'm excited about that. Like the brand, everything about it. So, and it's a $28 value product. So $29, I should say. Okay, the next thing I have on here is Redness Correcting Primer by Zizia. Okay, so, you know, we get a lot of Zizia products in our Ice Cream Beauty. Zizia has the most fabulous packaging. I love their packaging. They use a lot of gold, black. Anyway, so this is a primer. It's a good size priming thing. It feels quality to me. Now these Zizia, okay, so this is a $22 value. And it says it's supposed to help with redness, which I like. So, oh, it's, you know what? It's a green. That's why. Okay, look. It's just a green and, okay, I'm really excited to try this for a primer just for the heck of it. It kind of will lighten your face quite a bit, but I'm curious how that's going to go on under makeup. So, yes. I'm excited. So that's our, was that just the second item? Yeah. Okay, so the third item, no, that's the third item, or there's three. So the fourth item is by, let's see what this one is. This is a, it says Gold Opal Iridescent Highlighter by Bo Babe Beauty. And this is valued at $35. So Bo Babe Beauty, a highlighter. I'm excited. It looks like a big box. Okay, this is fun. Look at that. Look at that. My gosh, it's like highlighter drops. Okay, it has a fun little... Now, in a way, this kind of reminds me of the Drunk Elephant. I'm going to try a little bit. And put some up here too. See how it goes. Okay. So let's try it. See if I can find my brush. What do I do with that brush? It's over here. Okay. Definitely highlights. Whoa. We got quite the highlight going on here. Okay, I'm excited about it. And anything that pretty deserves to be on your makeup counter, don't you think? I love it. So, you know, I thought a while ago that I might, you know, take a break from Ice Cream Beauty, but I don't think I can. When I get boxes like this, it's like, hello. Okay, so last but not least is the eyeshadow palette. This is the End of the Rainbow palette by Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. So Ice Cream Beauty and Ladybug Glow work together on this. It's a $30 value. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's just a variety. It is rainbow. So was the other one they got. But I like it. It has a good, I love when they get a good white shimmer. Oh my gosh, this is, it comes out kind of yellow. Oh my gosh, it's iridescent. That is so fun. Let's try the blue above it. There you go. And the purple above that. Look at those colors. We're talking rainbow here. Let's get the orange. Look at that. That's such a beautiful rainbow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Am I a little too excited this time? I think this video is, I don't know. You either love me or hate me, I think. But anyway, that was really fun. So I got the eyeshadow palette and the cute little lip product. I got iridescent stuff on my highlighter. The blush Zur, so it's a blush bronzer palette. The primer, which is pretty awesome, the little green red correcting primer, and then the glow. So tell me what you think. Do you guys like this as much as I do? Maybe not as much as I do, but if you like it, tell me what you think. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about the box. And so I call Ice Cream Beauty a hit this month. So not mad at it at all. So anyway, thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate your support. I love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.